All right, are we going fast? We're going 100 something. Let's see. We're going to go a sharp right turn. Couldn't tell what's happening. ABS is kicking in. Thankfully, no cars are coming around the corner to kill us. Got very lucky. Stalled it because it's probably like in 4th gear. Didn't have the clutch in. Stalled. Restarted the engine and is moving on. Very lucky on that. No brake. Okay. We got a wheelie. Can't stop.
Yeah, I'm like, what the? Oh.
Oh. Easily get impaled by a tree branch. We've seen that before. Thankfully, nothing bad happened here. All right, big mob ride, having a ton of fun. Oh, no. Oh, dodged it. Good job with the escape path. Got himself out of there. Nobody's wearing real gear, so you're going to have some abrasions. So let's take a look. There's the back of the head impact. So spinal injuries, head injuries. Ugh. Guys, motorcycling is dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. There's the blind spot. We got merged into. Don't worry about the horn. Decelerate or accelerate out of there. Get yourself into an escape path. Remember to plan your ride. We talk about that in the basic training e-course. It's only $4.99. Drew on 2, going a little bit fast, 60, 70 miles an hour in the mountains. Watch out. You'd never know. Can't really see anything because we're looking down, and then we impacted. We did talk about this one before. Got very lucky. He's got full gear. Remember, if you have full gear, like leathers and everything, that can get you in trouble. A lot of firefighters stay within a building that's on fire longer than they feel like or longer than they should because they feel comfortable. They have this security with the gear. So they push it until they can't get out because they run out of air. Now, with situations like this, motorcyclists will push it because they think the gear will save them. But when you wrap yourself around a tree and get split in half, it doesn't really matter, okay?
Turning around.
You don't have a magician putting you back together in a box.
You know. Insurance?
You got insurance? Yeah.
Then you good. No worries, bro.
How do you sign up? You click the link in the description. Here we go. New gent. Don't even know what happened there. Let's go back just a little bit. I couldn't even tell. Moving on over here. Okay, somebody merged. It's not a big deal. Switched sides. Found an escape path. Planned his ride. Did a great job. Not a big deal. Good job. We're going to move on. Merge issue. Big open spot. What do you think's happening there? One sec. We're going to go back, Cool Breeze. Here's the thing. With Arizona passing a lane filtering law, which is going to probably go into effect around June, July-ish. I think July 22nd-ish is when it's actually going to go into law, so we can't be doing it now. So it's a good time to actually understand what is happening here. So right now we have a great line of sight. We're planning our ride. This is where I like to position myself, so I think Cool Breeze Rider has been paying attention to this channel. But we got to watch out, because if we're going to be lane filtering, the one things that we don't have, right, Armando? The things that we don't have are space cushions to the left or the right. Now, space cushions are very, very important when it comes to finding escape paths, because if you don't have space cushions to the left or right, the only escape paths you have are in front of you or behind you. When I say behind you, it's because you're going to do progressive brake pressure. So in a situation like this, when you're lane filtering, the best thing you possibly can do is do progressive brake pressure. So we're going through here. Now, here's that pattern that I always want you guys to pay attention to. It's not just skills that you need to understand. You know, being a smart rider is you're maintaining your fundamental motorcycle riding skills, but the first part of it is you're seeking and recognizing. So here's that seeking part. You have a big open gap here. Now, this person has a gap right in front of them too, but you never know. I never trust what other people will do. I only trust what is out there and is objective. So we're going to get up to here. You start to see that this person is starting to go towards this way. You can tell by the way they're moving. They're getting closer and closer to this line right here. It's a no bueno situation. So when we see this, what can we do? We can be applying progressive brake pressure. The reason why we're able to do it quickly is because we're in orange stage. When we're lane filtering, we're in orange stage. We're prepped and ready. If you don't know what orange stage and all that stuff is, like I said, we do talk about that in Unit 1 in our Academy class. So right here, white, yellow, orange, red, and brown. We're in yellow most of the time. Orange stage, when we see something. Red stage, we got to do something about it. So when we understand that, it's because we're planning our ride. So let's take a quick look. When we're in orange stage, we're covering those brakes. So our perception and reaction is not a big deal. So what he's doing now is rev bombing. It's not going to help you out. You need to be able to apply the brake pressure. And this is the situation we're in. Thankfully, that person heard us, but this is only a close call. We see a lot of people having crashes because of this stuff.
You want to pay attention?
Yeah, they need to. They definitely need to. So make sure you guys pay attention yourselves and join the basic training course that we have. It's only $4.99, and you're going to get a lot of good information. Here we go. So play for fun, going around a corner. Ooh, uneven gravel. And then uneven road, and then we crash. We talk about that in Unit 2 of the basic training course. So there's a lot of stuff that we get going. Brian636 is actually taking that class right now. So if he's still in the chat, I want to say hi. How you doing? But he's got full gear. At least that's what it looks like. And he is prepped and ready. Mostly a smart rider. But we need to seek and recognize those hazards in the first place. Random videos. Here we go. Going through here. What's going on? Ooh, lost a little bit of traction. Got a little bit of panic. Person came around the corner. So I'm guessing he panic broke a little bit. But we're okay. Oh! Ooh-wee. Now, what do I say about... what do I say about neighborhoods and driveways? Wait, if you haven't taken the class, you don't know. I talk about how neighborhoods, every single driveway is a potential intersection and path of travel violation. Every single one. Because vehicles can come in, can come out anytime. So what stage should you be in when you are in a neighborhood? No, that was the answer. Stop putting it up yet. Orange stage. Always in a neighborhood. It could be a kid running after a soccer ball. It could be a person walking their dog and the dog gets off leash. It could be somebody going out of their driveway, going to work, coming home from work, going to get groceries, going to see their side chick. It could be anything out there. Anything. You got to be paying attention to that. Now, what he did was accelerate out and swerve left. Did a great job with his red stage maneuver. Got himself out of there. Actively engaged in emergency response. Yes, a flying squirrel, even that too, Josh. Got himself out of there. All right, stop pausing, Daniel. No Nexel. Here we go. We're in a... Is this a one-way? Ooh, side of the vehicle, impact. That was a full-on impact. Not good. We should be able to move over. Okay, we're going to help him out. Rescue this rider. Not doing too good. Not a lot of gear other than a helmet. I'd rather protect my head, but I want to protect everything. Let's see. So he fell to his right. Do we have part of his tattoos are missing? Thankfully, look at that. Ripped it off. Is that a Prius? No, it's not a Prius. Here we go. Vito the rider going through here. Missing his phone. You guys know why. Okay, can't see. Line of sight, line of sight. Moving over. That person was coming over. Now we're going to move over to the right. Go on with our day. Side of the vehicles anywhere? Nope. It was this person right here. Moving over, crossing to our lane. He didn't have to move too much. That was an adaptation. He just adapted. Nicola Holiday. Here we go. It looks like we're getting boxed in. Good job with the braking. He started the honk. Didn't realize it was going to work, so he applied the brakes. Good job. If you're colorblind, I'm sorry. Ooh. That is called lane splitting, not filtering. And somehow he caught fire. Intersection, orange stage, side of the vehicle. Almost panicked. Did a good job. Smart rider principles, everybody. Make sure you guys are seeking out these hazardous situations. All right, having some fun. One of the problems with these is that when you actually roll it back, like that right there can crush you. Get out of the way. Strap your helmet in. That will kill you if it lands on you in the wrong spot. Very careful. Wear gear. All right, blind spot. Oh, side of the vehicle. Oh my God! Good job with that swerve. Did you guys see that? You want me to replay it? Let's replay it. Oh, there it is. Saw it. Side of the vehicle. This must have been a smart rider. Been watching the channel quite a bit. Good job. Cool Breeze Rider, once again, you're always in this. Gotta be paying attention. This is California for you. Merging on and off ramps. Always pay attention.